How to change your name in Devil May Cry Peak of Combat. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're playing Devil May Cry Peak of Combat and you want to give your character a new name, firstly open the Devil May Cry Peak of Combat game on your device and log in. Once you're inside the main screen, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top left corner. And from this pop-up menu, tap the pencil button right next to name. Now go ahead and enter the new name you want to use or change to. After you do that, click on confirm. Now in order to change your name, you'll need a rename card. If you don't have the card, you'll need to go ahead and purchase it. If you have the card, then you can spend the card and then you'll be able to change your name in Devil May Cry. So that's the process. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.